We've all used clay masks that suck the life out of your skin, leaving it feeling like the Sahara Desert. That usually happens because store-bought masks are harsh and loaded with preservatives to keep them stable on the shelf. But we formulated this recipe to be different. It creates a fresh, preservative-free mask that gives you a spa-level detox without stripping your moisture barrier. Hey, I'm Yusette from Simply Earth. Our aromatherapist designed this Pure Renewal Clay Mask to be activated fresh, right in your hand. We paired French green clay for deep pore cleansing with almond oil and jasmine to protect your skin. That's actually why we included the dry French green clay and oils in this month's recipe box. Let's grab what you need. It is a short list today. You will need a small bowl and a brush, or just your fingers to apply the mask. For the ingredients, you will need French green clay. This acts as the detoxifier, and almond oil. This acts as the moisturizer. And for the aromatherapy, you will need geranium, juniper berry, and our signature blend, unicorn. Let's make it. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of French green clay, 2 teaspoons of almond oil. The almond oil is key. It prevents the clay from sucking all the moisture out of your skin. Now, let's boost it with the oils. 1 drop geranium for balance, 1 drop juniper berry for clarity, and 1 drop unicorn blend. If you're wondering, unicorn is a blend of pink grapefruit, sweet orange, lemon, and jasmine. The citruses make it instantly uplifting, while the jasmine adds a touch of floral luxury. It smells happy but deeply relaxing. Stir that until it starts to form a paste. Now, because we send you these ingredients separately in the recipe box and your free big bonus box, you have total control. You aren't putting old pre-mixed chemicals on your face. You are mixing active natural ingredients fresh every time. It's cleaner, safer, and way more effective. Okay, let's apply it. You want to smooth it over clean skin. Now, here is the #1 rule of clay masks. Do not let it dry completely. If it cracks and crumbles like the Sahara, it's actually drawing moisture out of your skin. You want to rinse it off after about 8 to 10 minutes while it's still slightly tacky. You want to rinse with warm water. To finish the routine, I always lock it in with the Dream Cream, another recipe in this month's box. The clay pulls the toxins out and the cream puts the hydration back in. It is the perfect Sunday night ritual if your skin needs a reset button. This mask is it. And if you try it, share it with #IMadeThis and tag From Simply Earth, and you'll be entered to win a $100 gift card from Simply Earth. Grab the box at the link in the description to get the clay, the unicorn oil, and everything else. And tell me in the comments, do you do face masks in the morning or night? I'll see you in the next DIY.